Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to change the audio system, the MP player on this camper. But first we need to take off the battery from the car. Okay, let's see now. Look. Anyway, I have power now. So I have a broken system here, which look, is not doing nothing. So to take off this stereo player, you have a gap behind this wood plate. Okay, you have a gap, put the hand behind the system and push back here. Look. And now you can take it off. You have a standard socket here. I hope will work with mine. And this is from right is the radio cable. Okay, I will break the new one now. I have here the new player. Very easy. We have a remote control, the radio socket, and let's hope this will work for me. I think they are in place now. All in place. Oh, sorry. This new is coming with this metal plate, which I already have it here, but I will change it, maybe not. Let's take off this. let's see. Yeah, it's work. Auxiliary, Bluetooth and radio. I don't know how to search automatic. Yeah. It's work, guys, it's work. Okay, now I will put it there, but I see it don't stay. So I will change with this bracket and that's it, guys. Bye.